Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back in my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidery, ranging from borderline embroidery patterns to design a very beautiful hemline towards baggy style, boho style, bohemian style, Ukrainian style, and different type of stylized patterns of creative and western supported embroidery patterns are being shown to you, and the scope is not only limited to this. A wide variety and a vast variety of beautifully crafted different color range, ranging from bright color tones to moving toward pastel color tones toward dark color tones, have been shown. All the embroidery patterns are exquisite, delicate, breathable, and comfortable to wear, so they could be equally used for formal as well as for everyday ethnic wear. So the basic intent of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity and designs. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic intent and purpose of making videos and sharing design ideas. Thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned for more and new upcoming designs on my channel. On my daily basis, I try my level best to share creativity and design patterns with you. But in the comment section, let us know that which design and which ideas you want me to share with you. So thank you so much once again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family members. Guys, ranging from neckline ideas to moving towards embroidery yokes, frock yokes, or the upper portion of your tops, along with the slit, along with the pleated panels, along with different type of minimal embroidery patterns, ranging to long V necks. All of the designs are extremely creative, so do try them.